Welcome to Deviniti Academy. My name is Julian and today I will show you how to set up custom fields in Jira Service Desk. Jira allows users to add multiple customizations. You can create your own screens, your own workflow, your own issues, and of course you can create your own custom fields. First of all, let's start with a created project. Once it is created, it will already have a default set of fields assigned to it. So what if we need a field that's not here? We can simply add it. To do this, let's simply use the shortcut on the keyboard. Press the letter G twice. And from here, let's just type custom fields. This can also be accessed from here by clicking issues, and you'll end up in the same place. So let's just add a custom field. As you can see, here we can select standard fields. And if you like something more complicated, you can check the advanced section. And as you can see, there are fields associated with the installed extensions. So let's go back to the standard fields and choose a select list. We can name it our first custom field. And it has to have some options so you can later select them. So click create, wait a second, and we just created a custom field in Jira. Now we can associate it with a certain screen in Jira. If you're not sure on which screen you'd like to have your newly created custom field, or you just don't remember, just click update. Now type the name in the search bar, and there it is. So let's go ahead and add it to an issue. Let's just assume this is the one I'd like to add it to. Now let's look for it by using the Where's My Field feature. As you can see, the field is not yet available for this issue, so we have to fix that. Just type in the name, click add, and the custom field will be shown. If you still don't see it, click on configure fields. Oh, and there it is. So add it, and click update. There you go. Now you know how to set up any custom fields that you'd like. Be sure to check out other videos at the Deviniti Academy and have fun creating new and inventive custom fields in Jira.